Hey, boys and girls, this is the last two questions of the end of module assessment. Number 3. Jeremy is confused about this problem. Unknown equals 10 minus 8. Be his teacher. Write 2 addition sentences that might help him understand and solve it. Explain to Jeremy using words, pictures, or numbers too. Boys and girls, don't forget to pause this video so that you have time to draw. Number 4. At the park, there are 6 friends playing baseball. Some more friends come. Now there are 10 friends playing. A. How many friends come to play with the first 6 friends? Explain your thinking using a math drawing, numbers, and words. B. Write an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence to match the story. Hit pause. Welcome back. Letter C. Write the addition sentence you found when solving the problem, and use the same 3 numbers to write 3 more number sentences or related facts. Don't forget, boys and girls, if you can't remember what I said or you're not sure how to read these numbers to yourself, please just rewind it so that you can go back and listen again.